Okay, alright. My name is Adrian. Welcome to the channel English with Adrian, helping you master English and discover the world. So, let's look at ways of expressing your opinion, your thoughts, your ideas. So I think, nice easy phrase, I think. I think it's a good idea. It's good. Good idea. I think it's a good idea. Or even I think it's a bad idea. Bad idea. I think we should turn left. I think we should turn right. I would. I would. Something that you would do if certain other conditions. I would talk to her if something else. I would go there if I had time. I would say hello if I saw you. If I saw you. But then would can be squeezed, can be shortened into I'd. I'd talk to her if I were you. I'd talk to her if I were you. I'd prefer. It's like prefer. It's like no, I prefer this, not that. No thanks. Or I'd love to. I'd love to. I'd love to go over there. I'd love to learn more Spanish. I would prefer to learn Spanish than French. Spanish, French. I would love to go to Acapulco. I would love to go to Acapulco. And then I'd like that. That'd be nice. I'd like, it would be nice. It would be nice. Very good. It would be nice. I'd like to have dessert. Ice cream. It would be nice. It would be nice. Oh, I like to learn Spanish. I like to travel. I like something ongoing to travel, and I'd like to travel in the future. Like I would like to travel in the future. So I'd like, I would, I'd like. Something you'd like to do would be nice. Yes, that, definitely. Oh yes, definitely. I'd like to travel. Yes. Would you? What about you? Yes. Definitely. Definitely. Yes. Yes. Can it, like that? What can it do? Like, what is it for? Can it write? Yeah. Can it run? Can that speak? Yeah. Why not? Why not? Or simply, no way. Can it speak? Speak? No way. No way. Jot that down. No way. Can it speak? No way. Not at all. Not a chance. Or can't it? Can't it? Like, cannot. Can't it? Like, you think it could, and it really should. Like, can't it speak? Really? Why not? Never? Never? never, never like this. That's it, never. Never. Not going to happen. Never. Can't it work? Can't it work? The machine? No. 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 Or yes. Yes, it can. Yeah. Of course, yes it can. Why not? And what if? Ah, what if? What if? What if, so it's going along here, so then it's going to go there. But what if it went that way? What if it went that way, not that way? What if? What if we went for pizza instead of sushi? What if we had Chinese instead of Italian? What if? Or when can I? When can I? When can I eat? Asking a question. When can I eat? I don't know. When do you want? When do you want? When do you want to go to Acapulco? February? When do you want to go to Madrid? I'd like to go in the summer, in July. What if we go to Marbella, Spain, in December? What if? Well, I think it would be a good idea. A good idea. Yes. Yes. Definitely. Why not? Why not December? There's no reason not to. December. January. November. December. Yes. And let's say, can I go to the beach? Can we go to the beach? Yes, why not? Yes, why not? Or meh, who cares? It's alright, whatever happens. Or simply, okay. Just, yeah, okay. Okay. And even sure. Why not? Sure. When can you speak English? Then you might say, I'd love to. I'd love to. Yes. I'd love to. I'd love to. Why not? Yeah. Some pretty cool stuff. So those are some nice ways of sharing your thoughts and opinions. I think, I would, I prefer, I'd love, I'd like, can it, can't it, can't it, what if, when can I, yeah, some nice ways, yeah. But if you want to master English and discover the world, then hit the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest uploads. Until then, bye for now.